In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone project in Grok. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a safe duplicate of an existing project so you can experiment or branch your work without touching the original. First, open your Grok account. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace or organization where the project lives. This matters because cloning creates a copyright where you're currently working, and you want that copy to show up in the right place. If your account has multiple areas or teams, a quick glance at the workspace name can save you confusion later. Next, click Project. This takes you to the main projects view where all your existing work is listed. Give the page a moment to load, especially if you manage several projects. You can use the search or filters if you have many entries, but the key point is to get to the list where your target project appears. Now, identify the project you want to duplicate and click it to open. Take a second to confirm it's the correct one by reviewing its name and a few details inside. Cloning will replicate the project's structure and content as it currently stands, so it's helpful to double-check you're working with the version you intend to copy. Think of this as creating a snapshot you can build on independently. At the top of the project view, look for the three dots, sometimes called the More menu. Click it to reveal additional actions. In that menu, select Clone. Choosing Clone tells Grok to create a new project that mirrors the original. Depending on your setup, you may briefly see a confirmation prompt. If so, proceed to confirm. The cloning process typically completes quickly, and when it's done, you'll have a fresh copy listed in your project's view. That's all there is to it. Open your Grok account, go to Projects, open the project you want, and use the three-dot menu to select Clone. The original project remains untouched, and your new clone is ready for exploration, testing, or iteration. If you collaborate with a team, this approach of TEGA helps you try changes without disrupting ongoing work. And if your organization follows naming conventions or versioning practices, you can align your new copy with those standards once the clone appears, helping everyone recognize its purpose at a glance. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working more confidently with cloned projects in Grok.